Hi everyone and welcome to another phonics lesson. Now, last lesson that we were looking at was looking at making nouns, which were naming words, so that's a person, a place or an object, and making them into plurals, so when there's more than one of something. So we looked at just adding an S to most of them. If it ended in a vowel and a Y, then we just added an S to it. And if it ended a consonant and a Y, then we had to drop the Y and add an IES. Now, guess what? There's some more complicated rules to have a look at with these. So I'm going to turn the camera around again so you can have a look at some of these ones. Hope you get on well with them. Okay, so the first one that we're going to have a look at is if your noun ends in an S, an SH, a CH, or an X. So that's a S, sh, ch, or x sound, okay? Now, all we have to do with those ones is add an ES to the root word. So the root word is the main word where nothing has changed to it. So that's the noun. So to start with this word, we have church. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my church, so ch, and then add an ES to the end, which will make a S sound. So it's going to be churches. And that's the same for class, just here. So class. And all that's going to happen is I'm going to press my buttons, classes. Okay, and the last one, box. And again, because it ends in an X, all I need to do is add an ES to it. And that's going to be the same for other nouns as well. So if your noun ends in a consonant, remember that's going to be any letter that's not an A, E, I, O, U, because there are vowels, then and the O, then all we need to do is add an ES to it again. So this one I've got potato, and all I'm going to do is change it so that it has an ES on the end. And that's the same for hero, which ends in an R, so that, well, an R and an O, so my consonant and O is going to change to heroes, and echo ends in a H and an O, so again a consonant and an O, and all I'm going to do is add an ES to that one as well. And the last one we're going to have a look at is a little bit more complicated, because this time, if your noun ends in an F or an FE, what we're going to do is drop the FE, so get rid of it, or the F, and add in a VE in its place instead. So you might see it in some of these words here. So I've got knife. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it, so now it will read knives. And same for leaf, so I've got leaf, and I'm going to change that now so it says leaves. And same for life is going to change into lives. Okay, so I know that's a lot of rules to take in there, so have a little practice with them. And again, I'm going to have an activity that's going to go alongside these videos for you to have a practice with them. Good luck and let us know how you get on. See you later.